Today we're going to review the GoSun Solar Table 60. This is an innovative piece of outdoor furniture that not only provides a sturdy surface for your outdoor activities, but also harnesses the power of the sun to keep your devices charged. It features a 60-watt solar panel, reducing the need for you to carry them separately. While it's designed to charge GoSun's devices, we've easily adapted it to charge our EcoFlow DELTA 2. The GoSun Solar Table 60 is super easy to set up and use. It can be assembled in minutes without the need for any tools. And it's completely portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. In fact, we recently used this in the middle of the national forest. It has a weight capacity of 75 pounds, but also comes with adjustable legs from 19 to 27 inches. The table is made from high-quality materials and can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. And the tabletop is designed to resist heat and stains, making it perfect for outdoor cooking and dining. The table weighs 31.4 pounds, and its folded dimensions are 27.5 inches by 24 inches by 4 inches, and it folds out to 48 by 27.5. Overall, the GoSun Solar Table 60 is a great investment for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, but who also needs a practical yet versatile solar charge. This is a must-have for any camping enthusiast. We highly recommend it.